Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you bidding strategies in Google Ads. What are the different kinds of bidding strategies available and how we can use them effectively for each and every campaign you create in Google Ads. So now bidding strategies. So what are these bidding strategies means? There are many bidding strategies you need to know before you create any campaigns. Okay. So the only bidding strategy we know till now is a manual CPC and max,
Max.
right?
Hmm.
What is this manual CPC means? Manual CPC means, manually I am deciding the bids for my click, right? So whatever the bidding I put for my clicks, that only Google has to deduct. Okay, should not exceed that. That is what manual. So I can set a manual bidding for ad groups, right? I can set for each and every ad group. Now, that is what manual CPC. What is this maximize clicks? So maximize clicks means by choosing this bidding strategy, I'm telling to Google that yes, so I want to get a maximum clicks under my budget. Let us say I have used a daily budget like 1,000 rupees. I'm telling to Google that I have to get a maximum clicks under my within my daily budget. That is what. So Google will tends to run your ads to get a more clicks for your ad. Okay, so this is what maximize clicks, the use of the maximize clicks we know already. The next, there are few bidding strategies you need to know. First thing is target CPA. Target CPA. Target ROAS. Okay. And maximize conversions and maximize conversion value. Okay, so maximize conversion and maximize conversion value. You see, this manual CPC and maximize clicks are concentrating more on clicks, right? So here also I use this bidding strategy to get clicks. This bidding strategy also I use for getting clicks. But here I mentioned four kinds of bidding strategies, that is target CPA, target ROAS and maximize conversion and maximize conversion value. Okay, let me just define it. Target CPA means cost per acquisition. You already know.
Hmm.
What is this target acquisition means? Google, now you gave the budget like 1,000 rupees, okay, and for CPA also you will be giving a budget, okay, like for CPA I want to put, that means I am trying to get a more conversions. Here I'm telling to Google that I want as many as conversions within my budget. Okay, so if you choose this acquisition means you are telling to Google in such a way that run my ads to get a more conversions. So I don't want to concentrate on clicks or impressions. I just directly want to concentrate on conversions in my website. That is what simply target CPA, cost per acquisition. So if you use this target CPA, you have to enter the amount for CPA, for conversions, for acquisition, how much you want to spend. Okay, that is what CPA means. The next thing is target ROAS. So this is return on ad spend. Now let us say there is a slight difference between cost per acquisition and cost per return on ad spend. So what I'm trying to say here is return on ad spend. How much return I am defining to Google, that how much return I want from the ad spend. Okay, now let us say 1 rupee I used for my ad. Okay, and I am telling to Google that 5 rupees I want in return. That is what simply ROAS. Okay, so it does have a formula, like you have to mention how much return you want to get. Let us say 5 rupees in sales divided by divided by sorry 1 rupee for ad, 1 rupee ad spent. into 100 equals to how much? 5 by 1 into 100 to 500 percentage, right?
Yes.
So now what I am here, I can mention to Google that 500% return I want. That means for every 1 rupee I spend for my ad, I want a 5 rupees return back. That is what simply in percentage you can define to Google. So if I am using the 500% means 5 rupees in return. So if I use the 1000 percentage means for 1 rupee I want to get return 10 rupees. Okay, so if I use a 1500 percentage, getting my point. So for each and every 1 rupee I spend for my ad, I want in return 5 rupees. Okay, so now again this is also concentrating on conversions only. So target CPA, target ROS, and maximize conversions. So maximize conversions is also same like a maximize clicks only. So here I am trying to concentrate on maximizing the conversions. Okay, so now whatever the campaign might be, whatever the ad group might be, I will be just concentrating on the maximizing conversions only. I don't care what type of campaign and ad group it is showing to the user. I just concentrating on maximizing the conversions. That's it is same like a maximize clicks only. There I am concentrating on getting a more clicks. Here I am concentrating on more conversions. This is what maximize
But
conversions.
all the three is same, right?
Same, yes, yes, all the
Like
three. That is what I'm saying. It is completely for clicks, and if you want to concentrate on conversions, you can use any one of these three, any one of
okay,
these four things. Okay,
okay.
CPA, ROS, and conversion. Then conversion value. So here,
In
value
percentage
means
only.
okay, value means I have to give some value, like what is my conversion value. Let us say that for each and every conversion I am getting like a 500 rupees. This is what my conversion value. That means when someone purchases your product, when someone fills your contact form, you are getting a 500 rupees. Same like in a conversion tracking, we do give the some value for each and every conversion, right? Did
Yes,
you remember that? Yes. So
yes.
here, what I am trying to say from this maximus conversion value means I want to get a more 500s. So I want to get a more maximizing the value. That means simply maximizing the conversion, right? Here I am trying to get a more 500s. Okay, trying to get a more conversion value.
Okay.
So these are the few bidding strategies helpful for your conversions. You can use it for conversions. The next thing is mm, target impression share, target outranking share also there.
These are also bidding strategies.
Yes, these are also bidding strategies. Okay. So target impression share means, so here you will choose this bidding strategies when you want to show up your ad on top of the page or else anywhere on the page. Okay, how many ads Google displays? 7 ads, right? So
Yes.
here I am trying to say to Google that I want to display on top of the page or else anywhere on the page, like 6th place, 5th place, 4th place, or 3rd place. But definitely I want to show my ad on top of the page or anywhere else on the page. Got it now? Target outranking share means it's a domain level. Okay, now what I'll do, Harika is my competitor. What I'll do, whenever Harika ad appears, I want to show up my ad above her. That is what the target outranking share. You can mention simply your competitor domain URL. So when you mention that domain, so what Google will do, whenever her ad appears in a Google SERP, then definitely my ad will appear above her. Then CPM means cost per mile or cost per thousand impressions. So this is called target impression, target outranking, and CPM is used for impressions. When you are targeting the impressions, at the time you can use these three bidding strategies. Got it now? These two bidding strategies is concentrating on clicks, and these four, right? These four are concentrating more on conversions, and these three are concentrating on more on impressions. So finally, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.